Okay guys, I'll be open. Where is it? And so I'm gonna here. Hi. Oh wait, there. Might be a little bit blurry, but I got this guy, whoever he is. I don't know yet because I didn't look at the list yet. Isn't he cute? And my second one is going to be, wait, who wants somebody to come over? Somebody's going to come over soon. I'll go get him. Look it, it's Puppy. He'll be helping us opening up the shotgun stand. So, lip balm and eggs. You just open this one. I didn't know this comes out. My mom and dad are home, so. Shh, Mom, I'm making a video. I got this little brushy thingy, bubber. And subscribe, so yeah. Subscribe or else. I won't do nothing. See part 2, bye.